In today's practice, we are slowing it down with smooth, continuous walking and soft arm swings. Move as if you are gliding through water. Calm, light, fully present. Let's do this. Today we're going to work on grasp the bird's tail. Stand straight, raise the crown, bring your spirit up. Now sink the body, pivot the left foot out, bring the left hand up and the right hand down as if you're holding a ball in front of the chest. Pick up the right foot, step, put the heel down first and go forward. Right hand in the front with the right foot. Both hands turn and shift back. Use the front foot to push and circle. Stay on the back until you're ready. Then you shift forward and press. Use the back hand. Press and extend the arms. Bring the elbows back. Circle the hands. Bring it down and push forward. Extend the arms and push with the back leg. Here we're going to turn to the back. So bring the left hand down. Pivot the right foot by pushing with the back leg. Bring your heel back and pick up the left foot. Step forward. Nice and open here to all directions. Slowly turn to the left and shift back. When the arms go down, relax the body. Make a nice circle and press. Push with the back leg and bend the front knee. Here, push with the front leg and bend the back knee. Bring the hands down, wrist slightly bent and make a nice circle, a natural circle and push. When the left foot is forward, we take a slight pivot. Bring the foot in. Bring the right hand under and step with the right foot. Ward off, turn, roll back, circle, and press. Move the whole body and use your breath. Whenever we open and shift, we take a deep breath. And when we go forward, we relax our breath, relax our body, and sink. When the right foot is forward, we're going to turn to the back. Pivot, push the way back, and step with the left foot. Open, turn the waist, turn the back, and turn the shoulders. Both hands coming back together like you're holding something. Circle the right hand and press. Remember the right hand press the heel of the left hand. Here, both hands moving together like you're holding a stick and push together. Extend the arms and open the palms and fingers. When the left foot is forward, we're going to pivot the left foot about an inch to about 80 degrees. Bring the right foot in and step to the right. Now we're on the right side. Turn, energy come off the ground, goes through the body into the hands, and from the hands back to the body. Nice circle and press. Keep the elbows open. Feel the stretch in the shoulders and back. Nice circle. Bring the hands down and push forward. Open the palm, open the arms and back. When the right foot is forward, we turn 180 degrees, pick up the left foot and step straight. Make sure the left foot is on the left side and the right foot is on the right side of the body. So the width of the stance should be about body width. Nice circle. And everything moves forward. Separate, everything moves back. Start from your front foot. Bring the hands down, sink into your back foot. Push with your back foot, go through the body and into the hands. Slightly pivot your left foot. Right hand make a circle. Both hands end up in the center. Left hand up, right hand down. Go forward. Turn and pull back. Circle the back hand, turn the front, and shift forward. Press. Open the back and push. Bring the elbows behind the body, but keep the hands in front. Turn, pivot the right foot, keep the weight on the right side when you pivot. Push with the left foot and step. Turn the hands. Go back. Here, the leg should be in the middle of the two hands. And from the back leg, we go forward, right in front of the front knee. Circle and push. So that's grasp the bird's tail 4 directions. So we did both the left and the right side. So we did it 8 times. On the shift, we keep the upper body straight. The shift comes from the legs. So when we go forward, we use the back leg and we sink into the front. The key is to continue to push with the back and have that energy go into the front. So the back and the front is the same. Okay? So you don't want to bend the front knee too much. Keep the front knee behind the heel and in front of the toes. Push and bend. And when you shift back, it's the opposite. You push with your front foot, you straighten your front knee, and then you sink into the back. But this is the same. As you sink to the back, you continue to push with the front. That energy and the body, you relax the body and let the energy down. And the body is continuously moving from the waist up, and also the arms. When you make a circle, you move the shoulder, you move the elbows, you move the wrists. So the whole body is moving. You move with the energy. You want to do it continuously. So when you push, you extend the arms. And when you go back, you round the arms. The whole body is moving. Circle and push. So if you want to continue, you can just keep going. So from here, we turn to the front, bring the foot in, hands, and go forward. Turn the hands, go back, nice circle, and push. Separate, relax, sink, and push forward. Okay, so when you push, you open the back. So you're stretching the back and the outside of your arms. When you go back, you open the chest. You're opening the chest and stretching the inside of the arms. Same thing when you circle. When you go outwards, you come from the inside through the inside of the arms and push outwards. But when you go inwards, it's the opposite. So you want to use the back through the outside of the arms, the energy finish in the hands. Okay, so I hope you had a good lesson. Keep practicing and you'll improve. Notice how peaceful and connected your body feels when you move like this. And we'll focus on bringing everything together into one grounded flow. See you next class.